Leave my things now. Let me settle myself first now.
If you video me, if you record me again,
no, I'll video you, sir. You will not tell the police that I taught you. This is what you always do.
I will call the police.
It's very wrong of you.
Yes, I'm letting you know this.
Just 2 years, just 2 years that you came to Europe, you can behave like this.
Yes, it's 2
guys,
years.
Guys, be careful of the kind of woman you marry and bring abroad.
Yes, also
guys, be careful. No, you talk to me like this today. I trained you. I trained you to become a nurse. You are a nurse in the UK today because of me. Guys, invest in yourself. No, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to take you to court. I know it's a woman's word here in Europe, but I'm going to win.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, give me time. Give me time. Let me.
No, you don't have time.
Guys, I pay my rent in this house. I pay the rent in this house, guys. Honey, as I pay. Guys, be careful. Honey, don't worry. Don't worry. God is going to judge you. I will live for you. I will live for you.
This is not Africa. I have to let you know this is not Africa. Where you have the water yourself.
Guys, you can listen. This is a woman who came to the UK 2 years ago, and she was nothing.
Don't record me again.
She was nothing. I trained her. She's a nurse today. Honey, you are a nurse today because of me, Abi.
Yes, it's none of my business.
I'll go. Give me my bag. I'll go. Give me. No, don't worry. It's okay.
No, you need to go out. You need to go out.
As well. She arranged my things at night. I didn't even know she was arranging my things. I came back from shift. I worked last night. I came back this morning just to talk to her about what we had yesterday. My things are here already. She sent it outside in my own house. Sue her. She claims I beat her. She claims all because I tried to correct her. All because I correct her. When she came, she was so humble. I trained her.